Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia.
Today we're making this easy vegetable sausage Alfredo pasta recipe that comes together in less than 15 minutes.
This is one of my favorite recipes and I am very sure you guys are going to love it. So let's get started.
Alright guys, I have some olive oil heated up. Into that we're adding smoked sausage. We're going to cook the sausage until it browns up, just like that. Then we're adding minced garlic. Saute the garlic until it gets fragrant. Then we're going to add some vegetables. So I have some carrots going in together with asparagus and sun-dried tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper and cook the veggies for about 2 minutes until they soften just a little bit. Then we're going to add some heavy cream. We're also adding already cooked pasta. I'm using Pene, but you can use your favorite kind. Next, add some parmesan cheese and give that one last mix, and it is ready to be enjoyed. This pasta recipe came out so good. If you guys want the ingredients, check the description box.
So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. If you try this recipe, please let me know how it comes out. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already because I have a lot more delicious recipes to come. I'll see you soon. Bye!